This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. To remove the air filter, release the spring clips securing the filter cover. Then lift up the cover and remove the air filter element. Wipe or vacuum out the inside of the air filter housing. Place the new filter into the housing, making sure it seats properly. Secure the filter cover over the filter, then snap the spring clips into place.